Welcome to Trickey's kitchen where delicious food is made easy. Today Trickey will show you how to prepare orange bunny buns. These are the ingredients. The method. Add in the listed ingredients to the mixing bowl of a stand mixer. That's the egg, instant yeast, caster sugar, orange juice, zest of one big orange, softened butter, white bread flour that has been sifted, and salt to taste. Add milk and mix. Now knead with the dough hook in the stand mixer for 10 to 12 minutes until the dough passes the window pane test. Add additional milk if required. Now check that the dough is able to stretch into a thin membrane without tearing. We are now ready for the first proofing, so grease with oil, then cover and set aside in a warm place to double in size. You can place the dough in the warm oven with the light left on. Make sure the oven is switched off. After the first proofing is done and the dough has doubled in size, tip it onto a floured surface. Now weigh the dough. Divide the dough into 3 portions. Portion A is meant for the bunny bodies, portion B is meant for the bunny heads, and portion C is for the bunny tails. We are working with portion C, which is meant for the bunny tails. So divide portion C into 10 equal parts by weight and roll each part into round balls of dough. We are moving on to portion B, which is meant for the bunny heads. Divide portion B into 10 equal parts by weight and roll each part into round balls of dough. Finally, we come to portion A, which is meant for the bunny bodies. So roll portion A into a large rectangular sheet, approximately 12.5 inches by 10 inches. Spread warm orange marmalade evenly across the bottom 3/4 of the rectangular sheet. Roll the dough lengthwise into a tight spiral, starting from the lower end towards the upper end. Make sure that you are rolling it quite tightly. Now cut it into 10 equal portions. You can use dental floss to give it a clean cut. Then arrange on a baking tray that has been lined with greaseproof or parchment paper and flatten the bunny bodies slightly. Now brush with egg wash and attach the bunny tails to the bunny bodies. We're now working with portion B, which is meant for the bunny heads. So roll the round dough balls into a conical shape, then use scissors to cut the pointed end to form the bunny ears. Then brush with egg wash and attach the bunny heads to the bunny bodies. Press a raisin into the bunny heads to form the bunny eyes. We're now ready for the second proofing, so set aside in the warm place for 15 to 20 minutes to proof. You can place the dough in a warm oven with the light left on. Just make sure the oven is switched off. While the second proofing is taking place, preheat the oven to the temperature shown. After the second proofing is done, brush the bunny buns with egg wash. Now sprinkle pearl sugar over the bunny tails. Then bake in a preheated oven for approximately 15 minutes or until done. Halfway through the baking process, rotate the tray by 180 degrees for even baking. Then remove from the oven when done. The buns are done when they turn golden brown and sound hollow when tapped. Then brush with softened butter. Now transfer onto a wire rack to cool down completely. And lastly, serve warm with any kind of jam or spread, but they are delicious on their own as well. And there you have it, orange bunny buns. So thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other baking recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.